everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for April 2020. So I did already pop this open to see what was inside, and there are a few items that I'm going to be using today. I do have my face makeup on because there was no face makeup in here at all this month. I'm actually a little bit disappointed, and I've been loving my Ipsy Plus. But I'm a little bit disappointed, and we'll get into why in just a second. So before we get started, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimnies.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you are curious. If not, that's okay too. Also, if you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you have not already, please hit the red subscribe button. It helps me out more than you know. And if you have any comments, please leave those in the comment section down below as well. So let's go ahead and get into the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. This is the Ipsy Plus, and actually this box is a little bit smaller than their previous actual physical box was. I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and open it. The card fell out. I grabbed the other things. That is what it looks like inside. That is what it looks like when I open up the styrofoam. So this actually does have a card in it. It does have the products listed on the card. Unlike the Ipsy Ultimate, if you saw my video from earlier this week, this does have 5 items in it. And I'm starting to think that I need to go in and redo my quiz because of things. Let's go ahead and get into it. Actually, what is the theme this month? Ipsy Full Bloom is the theme. It says, Mother Nature's finest work is you. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state, curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to blossom. I've got curls, I've got curves. There's a lot of me. All right, let's go ahead and pull the first thing out, which was on top. There are 2 sheet masks in here, and these are from Starskin VIP. That is what they look like right there. And one's the diamond mask, and one is the creme de la creme. All right, the card says, by the way, this is box 113 AP20. I don't know what that means, if that means anything. But this is the Starskin VIP Creme de la Creme Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face and the Diamond Mask VIP. That's a long name for a mask. Anyway. The one is recovering and one is illuminating. So it says no time for a spa facial, an NBD. I'm guessing no big deal. 15 minutes with one of these sheet masks will give your skin the same luminous look. The Creme de la Creme mask is coated with nearly half a jar of cream. Holy moly. And the diamond mask is packed with a rich botanical serum to make your skin glow. Tip, use one before bed, then massage in the serum or cream as an intensive overnight treatment. All right. I'm thinking that I'm going to need to start doing like masks like every night or every other night. And I'm thinking about actually posting them on Instagram. If you did not know, I do have an Instagram. It's at Epic Beauty Fail. I almost never post on it. I'm on Instagram maybe once every other day or so. I don't go on every day, but every once in a while, like I said, like every other day or so, I go on just to see the people that I follow. And I've been meaning to post more on there. So if you don't follow me over there, go ahead and follow me over there. It's at Epic Beauty Fail. But I was thinking about maybe doing face masks and doing them in like a story. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. All right. Part of the reason why I'm a little bit upset is because this is the second item that I'm going to pull out. This is from Bloom Effects and is the Dutch Dirt Mask. So that is now 2 sheet masks and a mud mask, I'm assuming. And it does have a safety seal, which is nice. So that is what it looks like. Okay. This is from Bloom Effects. It is the Dutch Dirt Mask. The secret to a fresh, dewy face? Dirt. Who knew? Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in this mask's Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex are straight magic for skin. Wear it for 20 minutes to help reset, refresh, and rebalance your skin and make large pores a thing of the past. Tip, short on time? Massage a small amount of this mask onto damp skin for 30 seconds for quick yet totally effective exfoliation. All right. Next item. Actually, I'm going to pull the item that I'm going to put on real quick. This is from Galactic Beauty, and it is the Jello Gloss Balm. I don't know exactly what a Jello Gloss Balm is, but I'm going to put this on because my lips are in desperate need of some moisture. Smells yummy. It's got little dots on it. I'm assuming that is condensation from changes in temperature, but it is just, you know, a balm. So before I put this on, let me read what it says. This says the Galactic Beauty Jello Gloss Balm. Forget everything you thought you knew about lip balm. This jelly balm is anything but basic. It's packed with avocado oil and vitamin E to give dry lips the nourishment and moisture they need. Plus, an ultra glossy look is gorge on everything. Tip: since this formula is super soft, we recommend only twisting the lip balm up once or twice. This keeps it from getting stuck. All right, so let's go ahead and move this up just a hair and put this on. It is very, very creamy. Feels like jelly. Smells like jelly. Tastes like jelly. I think I'm going to like that. We'll see. I'm going to leave it on while I'm doing the rest of the box, and we'll see how my lips feel after a little bit. You know how some lip balms will feel nice right away, but then after a couple of minutes, your lips just feel really dry again. We'll see if that is the case. All right, the next item in here I'm actually going to be putting in my giveaway drawer. This is from Tarte. It's the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. So that is what it looks like. It's a nice thought in theory. However, it does have two ends on it. It has a gel end and a liquid end. Again, in theory, really nice idea. However, it looks, from everything that it looks like in the picture on the item, in the picture that I found online, it looks like it is a felt tip marker. I don't like felt tip. I really prefer a brush tip if I'm using a liquid liner. I actually prefer a gel liner, to be honest with you. It's the one that I feel I have the most control over. But if I'm using a pen, I do prefer a brush tip significantly because I just can't work with a brush tip, or I'm sorry, a felt tip. So this is going to go in my giveaway drawer and one of you guys are going to get it. So this is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in black. To be honest, TBH, we'd love just one Tarte liner, but two? Yep, Team Ipsy is fully obsessed with this dual-ended gel and liquid eyeliner. Use the pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes, or flip it to the liquid liner side to create crisp lines and feline-inspired flicks. Tip: Cat Eye Noob? Question mark. Create your best line using the liquid liner first, and if it's a bumpy, NBD, no big deal. Glide the pencil right on top, then smudge it out with a brush to create a cool smoky effect. So there's that. That's going to go in my giveaway drawer. One of you guys are going to get it. I'm going to pull the bag out, and then I'm going to pull the last item out. Then this is a cute little bag. It opens really wide. Like, do you see that? And it's just, you know, a cute little bag. I like the little zipper. I'll show you my Ipsy Ultimate bag just in case you didn't see that video, but they're nice complimentary bags. I'm interested to see what my Ipsy original bag looks like. I haven't gotten that yet in the mail. I'm assuming it's going to come in the next day or two. So you should be seeing that soon. But I think it's cute, and I like the fact that it's the same design but a different color. So it like would be like a nice like multi, you know, product to travel with kind of a thing. And I really like the zipper. It's like actually like bamboo or something. It's a little piece of wood. I like that. All right, the last item here is an eyeshadow palette, which is why I have nothing on my eyes. This is from Shayna B Miami. It's the mini Miami eyeshadow palette. So that's what the packaging looks like. And you do get to select an item, and this is the item that I selected. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Like I said, it's the Miami eyeshadow palette. The palette actually matches the inside. All right. So there are 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. So that's actually pretty nice. I actually do like that. They're kind of not overtly exciting, but we're going to give this a try. I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the card while I get the little pieces of tape off. So it says the Shayna B Miami Mini Miami Eyeshadow Palette. Consider these 8 shades your spring shadow essentials. I would not consider these spring shadow essentials, but that's just me. The balance of neutrals and bright colors mean you can play it safe or go all out depending on your mood. And even though they're powders, they feel like creams. Think smooth, blendable, and buttery soft. Tip: for a sheer diffused wash of color, use a fluffy shadow brush to sweep these shadows over your lids. All right, let me get this tape off. Hold on one second. All right, I got it off. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull off the other side. I usually keep the plastic inlays. I don't know why. I'm just weird like that. So I'm gonna keep the plastic, but that is the shades that we've got going on there. So that is my entire box. I'm gonna go ahead and do an eye look. So if you wanna stick around for that, cool. If not, thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. So I got the eyeshadow palette, the lip balm, which so far is feeling pretty nice on my lips, the dual-ended liner, which is nice if you like felt tip liners. I'm actually really liking that though, if I liked felt tip. Then I got the dirt mask and the 2 sheet masks. So I'm only a little bit disappointed because of the fact that I got 2 sheet masks. Like, not 2 sheet masks. I got the 2 sheet masks and then the mud mask. So 2 of my 5 items are masks. And I swear I put that I didn't really like skincare. So I'm going to have to go online and look at my quiz and do it again because that's just odd to me. All right, we're going to go and do an eye look right now. And we're going to start with this shade right here, which looks like it says Biscayne, and it's just a cream shade. I'm going to use that all over the lid, and then I'm going to go into the Winwood shade right beside it, which is, ooh, that's powdery, which is a light brown, like tanny shade called Winwood. And we're just going to use like a bunch of these shades today. Now, this is a little bit powdery. As I dip my brush into it, it does kick up some powder. But that's fine. It's fine. Okay, again, Winwood, which is more right next to it. It's a light tan. And I'm just going to use that in my crease with the same brush that I just used for the Biscayne shade. All right, I'm going to go into South Peach, which is the next shade over. And I'm actually going to put that all over my lid. And I'm going to use this shading brush from Moda Pro. This one right here. And I'm just going to take that South Peach shade and place that all over my lid. And then I'm going to go over it with a shimmer shade. All right, so far I'm liking that. I'm going to go into, what shade do I want to go into? I'm going to use Cafecito in my outer corner in a minute. But the question is, which shade do I want to go into of the shimmers? So Everglade is like a green shimmer. I'm going to swatch that because I'm definitely not going to be using that today. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a green brown, and it does shift different depending on the way the light hits it. So that is pretty. I like that shade a lot, actually. Let me not get it all over the place. It's pretty. I would definitely wear something like that if I was doing like a smoky look, which I'm not going to do because I can't do that. I actually have a video where I tried like my first smoky look like a long time ago and I failed at it, and I don't try it anymore. Anyway, I'm going to go into Heat, I think, and I'm also going to go into Port-au-Prince, and then I'm going to go into All Over Dude. So I think the only shade I'm not going to use is that Everglade shade, which is why I swatched it. So I'm going to go into Heat right here. I'm going to get a little bit on my finger, and I'm going to put that just on the outer portion of my eye. What, that is pigmented. Woohoo. Wow. Okay. I'm going to put that on the outer half of my eye. All right. I'm going to use a different finger, go into Port-au-Prince and put that on the inner half of my eye. So over top of South Peach, they're not showing up very differently, but I can tell the difference here because the glitters in the Heat shade are definitely more orange, whereas the glitters in the Port-au-Prince shade are more of like a silvery or like a gold versus silver. I don't know if that's showing up on camera or not, but the outer portion of the eye is a little bit more warm and the inner portion is a little bit more cool based on the glitter that are in those shades. All right, I'm going to go into All Over Nude, which is this shade right here, just with my pinky. I'm going to get a little bit on my pinky and just dab that on my inner corner of both of my eyes. That is very, very bright. All right, now I'm going to go into Cafecito with a different brush here, and I'm going to put that on my outer V, and I'm probably going to run that along my lower lash line too. I'm going to put it on my outer V and then bring it up into my outer crease All right, so I went ahead and put my mascara on already, and I ended up putting the Cafecito shade on my lower lash line as well as the South Peach shade, just to sort of smoke it out a little bit. Overall, I'm actually really enjoying this palette. I didn't think I was going to when I first opened it and looked at the color selection, but I literally used every shade except for Everglade in my eye look, and I'm actually really liking it. So I guess I should probably put some lipstick on, huh? Finish off my look. Give me 1 second, and I will be right back. All right, well, I just went with a nude gloss. This is from Buxom. It is the full-on lip polish in Celeste. Just figured I'd go pretty nude because I feel like my eyes are enough. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I could have went for a deeper lip, but that's fine. Anyway, eyeshadow palette I'm liking. I actually got a Shayna B highlighter, I think, last month. It was either a highlighter or a blush, and I liked that too. The 2 sheet masks and the mud mask, you know, whatever. The liner, and then the jelly gloss bomb, Jello gloss bomb, I actually did like. It was actually feeling really nice still on my lips, even though I had it on for like over 15 minutes. So overall, like I said, I'm just a little bit disappointed because 2 of my 5 items were masks, and they've been doing that in the Ultimate box as well, that 2 of the items have been masks. In the previous months, they had been like this, a mud mask or a cream mask, and then sheet masks. This month, they actually gave me 2 cream masks. I don't know. Anyway, that is it for my Ipsy Plus, not Ulta, Ipsy Plus for April 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button. I know that a lot of you are not subscribed. About 60% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you have not already, why not? Go ahead. It doesn't cost you a darn old thing. It's free for you, and it helps me out a lot. If you wouldn't mind, I would appreciate it. I'm in a goofy mood. Anyway, I've been inside for too long. It's called cabin fever. Yeah. Anyway, if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. How are you guys holding up? Because I think almost every single state in the United States is in a lockdown or stay-at-home order. Not a lockdown. We're not a lockdown. We're in the U.S. I know that there are some countries that are in a lockdown, though. So if you're in another country and you're in a lockdown, let me know how you're holding up. Because, yeah, I've at least left my house and I've gone for walks. I don't know how it is in other countries. So maybe your lockdown isn't like a strict lockdown. I don't know. But I'm ready for everybody to be healthy. I don't like people being hurt or, yeah, anyway. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you choose to come back and watch future videos of mine. I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.